Welcome back to Apex Drive, the channel where we dive into everything on four wheels. Today we're taking a close look at the 2025 Kia Carnival 11-seater, and trust me, this is not your average minivan. The Carnival is redefining what a family vehicle can be, blending luxury, space, and performance in a way that's sure to impress. Let's jump right into it. Starting with the design, the 2025 Carnival is sleek and bold, especially for a people mover. Up front, you've got that signature Kia grille, but it's bigger and more refined. The sharp LED headlights give the Carnival a modern, aggressive look. Its muscular lines along the side and the sculpted rear end definitely set it apart from the usual minivan crowd. Even though it's built for practicality, the Carnival manages to look like a stylish SUV, giving you the best of both worlds. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers 290 horsepower. That's a lot of muscle for a vehicle in this class, and it shows when you hit the road. The Carnival feels surprisingly agile for its size, and the 8-speed automatic transmission keeps things smooth, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. It's front-wheel drive by default, but it handles well, giving you confidence even with a full load of passengers. Stepping inside, the Carnival's interior is where it really shines. You've got 11 seats, and every single one of them feels like a first-class upgrade. Kia's gone all in on comfort here. The materials are high quality, with soft-touch surfaces everywhere you look, and the available leather seating is plush. The space is generous, and you'll love the second-row reclining seats with ottomans. There's a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen up front that's super responsive and easy to use. It's packed with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of driver assist technologies that make your drive safer and easier. And if you're hauling kids or a lot of gear, the Carnival offers incredible cargo flexibility with multiple configurations to fit your needs. One unique feature of the 2025 Carnival is its rear passenger camera system, letting the driver monitor passengers from the front screen, perfect for parents who need to keep an eye on things without turning around. Overall, the 2025 Kia Carnival is more than just a family van. It's a comfortable, capable, and stylish ride that makes no compromises. Whether you're packing in the whole crew or just need the extra space, this is a minivan that's ready to impress. Thanks for joining me here on Apex Drive. Be sure to subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, and let me know in the comments what you think about the new Carnival. See you in the next one.